This is the Cricut Explore Air 2. It has already been opened and used a lot. However, when you bring it out of the package, this is how it's going to come. Okay, it's beautiful. You can get it in so many different colors and you can do so much fun stuff with it. So don't be intimidated, and I will tell you, leave it out where you can get to it. If you put it away and make it hard to take it down and use it, you're less likely to use it. It's so surprising to me how many people I meet that have one that never use it because it's put up. Okay, so just a few things with your Cricut. So when it first comes, it is powered off. You plug it in and turn it on. Now the Cricut is set up completely by Bluetooth. So you can use it on, you can use your phone with it, your smartphone, you can use your tablet, your iPad, your computer. I always use my iPad. Believe it or not, I've actually never used my computer with it because my iPad is so easy. So I turn it on. You have a knob here. Here you have a little cubby you can put some stuff in. And here, this open button, you push that and there you go. Now, some of the first fun things to do with your Cricut, I'm sorry, I have glitter everywhere. One of the first fun projects to do is decorate your Cricut. I just put my name on mine and a few little hearts here. Now, here you have some little bins where you can store materials. Mine is just full of glitter. Sorry, I have glitter everywhere. Even my dog is covered in glitter. So this is the motorized function of your Cricut. Okay, so here is your blade. All right, so it comes in this housing. There it is. So a quick tip, just so you know, if you're cutting something sticky or sharp or your blade seems to get dull, keep a piece of aluminum foil with you. I keep it balled up, and you can just go through, you push the little button to poke it out, and you can actually sharpen your blade just by running it through the aluminum foil. Okay, so your blade goes in here, this shuts. Now the other one here, let me just grab a pen. Cricut pen. Now there are definitely different pens that do fit in here. I've tried different ones. However, this is made for your Cricut pen. So your pen, if you're going to use your pen, you put it in. You can feel it snap. You want to hold this so it doesn't push down too much, and then you just close it, and that's how you put your pen. All right, so, and let me show you this too. I did try out different pens that people said would work. So this is the Crayola pen. And just so you know, it does fit in pretty snugly. You have to sort of judge where you're gonna end it though, because it doesn't snap in, and those do actually fit just fine. And that's these ones right here. I think I got a pack of 12 for right about $2, $1.87 or something. All right, so we have our blade, we know where to put our pen. Now, on our Cricut, I showed you the power button. So here, this is your button that does everything for you. So I want you to be able to see this. Let me just move you over, sorry. All right, so what I want you to see here is your settings. So your custom setting is for anything outside of what you have here, okay? So this is paper, vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, and poster board. And then in between each one, so if I put it on paper, that's right there at paper. Now, if I could go down one and it'll cut paper still, but it'll cut a little bit lighter. I could go up one and it'll cut paper just a little bit deeper. And it's the same with vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, poster board, and then your custom. So anything that you do, like your glitter, HTV, your sticker paper, washi tape, anything additional that you do, you should go to custom and then find it in Design Space will actually, you know, bring up a list of different materials and pick the correct material and go from there. Okay, and some different materials are just sort of playing with it, seeing what is the best depth and pressure to cut it at. So while I have you over here, I'm going to show you. So this is the arrow button, the Cricut C, and then this equal sign. Okay, so that's your pause button. If something's going on and you need to pause it, that would be it. So when you first put your mat in to load it, this is your load and unload button. So that's what you'll push to put your mat in, to bring your mat out. And then your Cricut C is your go button. It's as simple as that. This is such a simple tool to use. Design Space is set up to be so user-friendly. This entire machine is so user-friendly. So let me bring you back over. When you're setting up your Cricut, so your Cricut is going to come with your machine, and it's going to come with a project, and you're going to do that as a practice project. I would suggest trying to get a bundle if you can. So on Cricut.com, you can buy bundles. Amazon sells bundles. There's lots of different places, but a bundle is nice because it'll give you some of the basic equipment that you're going to need. Okay, now Cricut comes with lots of instructions. So if you notice this, I've never even opened it. You know why? Because right here, aside from YouTube tutorials, this is all I needed. They make this so easy. I haven't even taken any of the rest of this out of the bag. So this comes in your Cricut, and this is how easy it is. Number one, unleash this beauty. So, and it's going to tell you to plug in and power on your new fabulous machine. Get connected. Number two. And then it tells you, you go to Cricut.com setup, and it walks you through the setup. Painless. Let me tell you, absolutely painless. And then number three, make a little something. So during the setup, they have you do your project, your practice project. The materials come in the box. Then number four, bookmark your page. It is as simple as that. And I am so not computer savvy, and it was a snap. I did not even have to have my husband help me. It went so well, so easy. They make it absolutely painless. So I hope that you enjoy your new machine. If you haven't got one yet and you are wondering if you're going to be able to use it or if it's going to be too hard to use. Absolutely not. It is a very user-friendly, fun piece of equipment. All right, have a beautiful rest of the night and happy crafting.